So today I am going to make a video on the topic of spermatogenesis. But before starting the topic spermatogenesis, so here it is introduction about the primordial germ cell. So you should know that by the 7th week of intrauterine life, that is blastocyst divided into trophoblast and inner cell mass, and this inner cell mass again divided into epiblast and hypoblast. Now here and this epiblast and hypoblast they together form this bilaminar germ disc, and the cavity formed by this epiblast is the amniotic cavity, and the cavity formed by this hypoblast is the primary yolk sac. So that's all. So here amniotic cavity formed epiblast, and primary yolk sac, cavity formed by hypoblast. Now these primordial germ cells form from the yolk sac, that is they form, but they start to migrate towards the gonad during the 5th week of intrauterine life. And that's all about the introduction. So now the main topic is the spermatogenesis. So first of all, that you should see the diagram. So here that these are the primordial germ cells in the yolk sac. So here that is from the yolk sac they have started to migrate and they reach the male gonad, and here that, and in the male gonad, that is primordial germ cells, they give rise to or they converted to spermatogonia, but they form this spermatogonia. And all these informations I am going to write. So here that this primordial germ cells migrate from the primary yolk sac and they reach the male gonad, and the name of the male gonad is testis. So this is the first point. And a second point is that these primordial germ cells give rise to spermatogonial stem cells or spermatogonia. See, so here spermatogonia form from this primordial germ cells. Now the second point. Now here you can see here that this is the spermatogonia, and this spermatogonia again undergo so here that is spermatogonia divides and it forms. So here dark type A, so here spermatogonia type A and the spermatogonia type B. So here by undergoing mitosis. By undergoing mitosis, so here it forms. So here spermatogonia type A and spermatogonia type B, and this spermatogonia type A is dark and this type B is light. So that's all I have written. And this spermatogonia undergo mitosis to form two types of spermatogonia, which are spermatogonia type A and spermatogonia type B. Now the third point. So now about a division. So here that this is the spermatogonia. So here that is on the basis of mitosis, process, that this spermatogonia, so here divides into spermatogonia type A and spermatogonia type B, that is dark. Now here that is you should see that this spermatogonia type A, so here undergo mitosis only to maintain the, so here population or the population of spermatogonia, so that the number of spermatogonia is maintained constant. So it acts as a reserve cell. But this spermatogonia type B, you can see here that they undergo mitosis and they also undergo enlargement to form primary spermatocytes. And here this is mitosis. So therefore the chromosome number present in spermatogonia type B is exactly same as the chromosome number present in primary spermatocytes, but only the size is different because enlargement is done. So that all I have written. See, that is type A spermatogonia undergo limited number of mitosis only to maintain the population of the original spermatogonial stem cells or the spermatogonia. So therefore that is spermatogonia type A, so here act as reserve cells. And now that is type B spermatogonia undergo mitosis and enlargement to form primary spermatocytes, as you can see here. So the size is increased and mitosis, and that process of formation of primary spermatocytes from the spermatogonia type B is known as spermatocytosis. Now the fourth point. Now you can see here that this is primary spermatocytes, and these primary spermatocytes that they undergo meiosis 1 to form two secondary bodies, secondary spermatocytes. That's all I've written, but you can see here that these are the chromosome number, but in this secondary spermatocytes you can see here that is the chromosome number is not same as the chromosome number present in primary spermatocytes, that in each chromosome the number of chromosome is half the number of chromosome present in secondary spermatocytes. So therefore it is a reduction division, and all these things I have written. The primary spermatocytes undergo meiosis 1 to form two secondary spermatocytes, and this chromosomes so here present in the primary spermatocytes, so here chromosomes present in the primary spermatocytes reduced to half and equally distributed to each of the secondary spermatocytes. So therefore that is each secondary spermatocyte has either 22 chromosomes, so these are the autosomes and these are sex chromosomes. So therefore that is each secondary spermatocyte has 22 plus X or 22 plus Y chromosomes. So therefore I written, so therefore it is called reduction meiosis as the chromosome number reduced to half. So now the next diagram you can see here that this is the primary spermatocyte. As you can see here, it undergoes meiosis 1 to form two types of secondary spermatocytes. So here two secondary spermatocytes, so here X and Y, or 22 plus X and 22 plus Y, and here you can see here that each secondary spermatocyte again undergoes, so here meiosis 2 and to form that is spermatids. So here to form spermatids. So now you can see here that is a chromosome number, so here present in each secondary spermatid is same as the chromosome number present in the secondary spermatocyte from which it is obtained. See, a 22 plus X, 22 plus X, a 22 plus Y, 22 plus Y, and that is the portion that I written. So therefore secondary spermatocytes undergo meiosis 2 to form spermatids. So these are the spermatids, and the number of chromosomes so here present in secondary spermatocytes is equal to the number of chromosomes present in spermatids, you can see. So that's all, and that portion that is there is no reduction in chromosome number, so therefore this is known as equation meiosis. So till now that is I have covered two important processes for spermatogenesis. The first one is the spermatocytosis, and the next one is the, you can see here, so here meiosis, and this meiosis also has two types. So a reduction meiosis, that means meiosis 1, and the equation meiosis, that means the meiosis 2. And also next, in the next part, that is I'm going to explain you about the so here spermiogenesis, and here and this spermiogenesis and this spermatocytosis, and this, so here meiosis, so here meiosis 1 and meiosis 2, and again spermiogenesis, that they together contribute to the formation of basically spermatogenesis. That's all about it. Thank you.